Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer XDC from Uphold to Ledger in 2025. If you're holding XDC on Uphold and want to secure it on your Ledger hardware wallet, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, we're dealing with digital assets, so double-check everything to keep your funds safe. First things first, let's cover what you'll need. Make sure you have an Uphold account with your XDC tokens ready to go. You'll also need your Ledger device, like the Nano S or X, fully set up and connected to your computer. Don't forget to install the Ledger Live app. It's your gateway to managing crypto on hardware. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video and get it sorted. Now, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your Uphold app or website and log in securely. Navigate to your XDC wallet. It's usually under your asset list. Once you're there, look for the Send or Withdraw option. Before you proceed, you need your Ledger's XDC address. Step 2. On your Ledger device, open the Ledger Live app and connect your device via USB. Go to the Accounts section, add a new XDC account if you haven't already, and copy the receiving address. This is crucial. Paste it carefully into Uphold to avoid any mistakes. Step 3. Back in Uphold, enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer. Remember to check for any network fees. XDC transactions might cost a small amount, so factor that in. Double-check the address you've pasted. It's a long string, so errors here could mean lost funds forever. Step 4. Hit Confirm on Uphold, and you'll get a transaction summary. Review it one last time, then approve. On your Ledger, you might need to confirm the transaction physically on the device for added security. Once done, sit back and wait for the network to process it. XDC transfers are usually quick, but it could take a few minutes. A quick tip. Always use the XDC network for this transfer to ensure compatibility. If you run into issues, like a stuck transaction, check the Shinfin Blockchain Explorer. And there you have it. Your XDC is now safely on your Ledger. This method keeps your assets offline and protected from hacks. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay secure out there.